Hello to all traders and welcome back to the market review brought to you by Orbex. So if you haven't heard, the big news over the weekend is coming out of France after the left-wing party has secured a majority in the polling, but it hasn't secured the majority of seats needed to avoid a hung parliament. And this has sent a bit of a shockwave, not only in the euro forex pairs, but also in the stocks and shares that make up some of the big names in France and Europe as well. We saw the France 40 dip quite significantly. The stock 600 moved lower as well. And also the euro dollar fell roughly around 60 to 70 pips. All in the meantime, since the European market has opened, we have seen a recovery in the markets, and just want to express this on the 1 hour chart on the euro dollar. As you can see here, very, very large gap, roughly about 20 pips there on the weekend. And then we saw another fall down to the 108 handle, and we just kept hold of that. Before now we've moved up 30 to 40 pips and actually significantly enough reclaim this gap as well. Every time there is a gap in the market or a weekend gap, we do worry if there's going to be a continuation in that gap, or if it's just basically an exhaustive gap and we're going to fill it, which is the sense here. So as you can see here, excuse me, we have seen this gap really starting to move a bit more to the upside now. Let's just get on the 15-minute chart because it's going to be a bit easier to see. And as you can clearly see here, along the 20-day simple moving average, we saw a break there. But as you can see here, since the European market did start waking up and more volatility, more liquidity in the market, we have seen a push to the upside. But we are looking at a strong double top here. So it'll be interesting to see if we can break this particular area and move back to where we were at the moment. But this story isn't over. We've had worryingly that the left-wing party is looking to start raising taxes, to start spending more money, and this is coming a couple of weeks before the the Paris Olympics as well. And we've seen in the past that Olympics can be a very costly affair for a lot of countries. Excuse me, with Tokyo, for example, Athens in 2004, not getting back what they put in. So it'll be interesting if this is going to be a big weight for the country as well. So I just want to look at the DAX as well. So on the 15-minute chart, as you can see here, from the NFP data that we saw on Friday, we saw quite a big move to the downside, but a nice recovery in the near term, at least for the German DAX. So this is the sentiment across the board for Europe, for France, and for the euro at the moment. As I said, the euro pairs across the board are starting to recover. So there was quite a big shock in the market at first. However, we are now seeing a potential upside move for these particular stocks. So let's see how it plays out. As usual, we'll bring you all the latest on our Telegram and YouTube channel. So feel free to like, subscribe, and we'll see what happens in the next 24 hours. And thank you very much for joining me, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.